What up, everybody? It's Monetary L. I got Mega Evolutions Booster Bundle. Yeah, I am going to say F it and open it. Yeah, $60. They run between 50 and 60, depending on where you get it. You got six cards, 6 packs in here. Three, four, five, six. Yeah. Let me see. 2 Lucario, 1 Kangaskhan, 1 Bulbasaur, Gardevoir. I'm doing Lucario 1. Do Lucario 1. Yeah. Let's see what we pull. Hopefully we get something good. Hopefully we'll get something good. Green trading card. Leaf. Okay. Snuffle. Gimme go. Can you read that? Hey, dude. Oh, Valley. O'Reilly. Pyroar. Executor. Ooh. Cinderace. Reverse Hollow Cinderace. That's pretty cool. Might put that in my book. My binder. Raboot. And then. Oh, wow. Mega. Yeah. Oh, man. Mega Man. Trick. EX. Yeah. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Let's leave it. Leave it. And guess what? Also, hard top it. Hard top and sleeve. Go right in there. Give it a little shake. That's a pretty card. Wow. That's a pretty card.